Hi everybody. The purpose of today's session is to understand that what is the main reason of a motivational training. What do we get about the motivational training? So whenever I'm getting into a motivational training, does it mean that I'm not motivated? Let's see. Before getting to this answer of this question, we need to understand a little bit about how our brain works. So you can say that there are two parts of our brain, or two functional parts of our brain. One is the logical part, and another is the emotional part. Now, which one is more powerful? Whether the logical part is more powerful or the emotional part is more powerful? We will conclude that, but before that, let's see how it works. Let us go back to the logical mind. How logical mind works. Logical mind is our day-to-day interaction with everybody. Any logical conclusion, any thought process, any kind of communication that we are doing. So everything we are doing by our logical conscious mind. Now what is about the emotional part? The emotional mind is basically it's the impression of various thought processes that came from the previous experience, previous events, and those are stored. So what is the importance of this emotional mind? Indeed, the emotional mind, what it does is it controls our behavioral pattern. So that means when I am interacting with you, the way I'm interacting with you, the way I'm trying to get into your mind is basically stored in my emotional mind. And that is the way I'm behaving to you. And that is the way different people behaves in different way to different situations. So this has nothing to do with the logical mind. So that's why in many scenarios, when our logical mind says that, okay, we need to behave in this pattern, the emotional mind doesn't allow us to behave in that pattern. It is why? Because at that particular point, the emotional mind gets control over the logical mind. So cleaning up the emotional mind and putting all the positive thoughts to the emotional mind is very, very important. Now, one more aspect of this emotional mind I would like to express here clearly, that when emotional mind is captured by the negative thoughts, it keeps on rolling the thought, and the thought gets more and more powerful. And the emotional mind not only sucks its own energy, at the same time, emotional mind takes the completely or drains out the complete energy from the logical mind until and unless the logical mind is completely captured by the emotional mind. So, now we can understand that what is the importance of the emotional mind. And now this gives us the importance of the training, the motivational sessions. How? We have a beauty of our mind that emotional and logical mind, they walk side by side. But who actually allows